Okay, so you are at a chill spot with your friends and then your eyes catch that guy's across the room. So what do? What can you say? How can you catch his attention all the way over here and for it to not be awkward? Have no fear, we are here to help. Whether you are shy, reserved, friendly or bold, you can use today's video to help you catch the attention of your next potential date. Like and subscribe. Number 1, dress up. In life, we must prioritize to get things done. And if you are not looking your best, then you won't be feeling your best. When that's the case, you'll project those feelings out onto other men who try to approach you. So do your best to build your confidence first, so that when you are in that moment with another guy, you can shine. So play up your best assets, show your curves in a tasteful way, and maintain that feminine elegance. If you want an encounter to last longer than a night, don't make yourself look too easy. Remember, classy is the way. Smile. This is one of your best tools to welcome new people and allow them to feel comfortable around you. Smiling, it's a universal language that always means the same thing. It's delightful and instantly brightens the mood. And it also pays to be polite. A positive, happy lady is an attractive lady. And that's just what you want to be to get your flirt game on with this guy that you like. Be coy. You know that smile when you want to turn away with it, but then you get your glance back hinting at more? It's suggestive, playful, and cute. Remember to blush and you've got yourself an interested crush. Men love it when they know they have a visible effect on you. It's also the height of femininity. Let him take on a leading role. If the roles were to reverse, then it wouldn't be so enchanting. A man doesn't want to compete with his lucky lady for his role. Fidget with something. It could be your hair, your keys, or anything nearby, really. It may not be that natural for you to instantly go for your hair, so find the thing that allows you to calm your nerves in a charming way. Nothing is more awkward than getting caught in a tricky situation and having the guy do a complete 180. Do the eye thing. There is no flirting without the eye dance. You need to make that connection even if you are shy. It will help you get noticed, build your self-esteem, and build a harmony. Just find a happy balance between the amount of time that you make eye contact and that intensity in which you make it. You can also try triangular eyes. When you speak to someone, you focus at one specific point. And with this in mind, look at one eye, then the other, and then finally you look at his lips. You want to give the impression that you like to kiss those lips, which is why you're looking at them. You can even part your lips to add to the message. Try it out at different points in the conversation and you will notice he picks it up. Compliment. Every man wants to be appreciated. So tap into this basic need and make him feel good about himself. Remember to smile and casually touch his arm if the situation does allow it. Laugh. Lighten up and crack a joke. Now you don't have to put him down or make fun of him, just find the humour in what he says. It could be a witty comment, it could be a bit of sarcasm or just a funny memory that you have had of a similar situation. Enthusiasm is the key here. You will have a better chance of getting to know this guy when you are open, energetic and relatable. Be mindful though to laugh in moments where it is actually appropriate. It might just be a little weird if you laugh at every single thing that he says. Touch. Find ways of inching your way closer to him. Don't be weird by making it very obvious though. If he senses that you are closing in prematurely, he might just lose his interest. So with this in mind, you can add in a nudge with your arm, a light tap on the shoulder or a hug goodbye. These are great ways of increasing that rapport, and it will also allow him to feel comfortable enough to return the favour to you. Show interest. You want to show this man that you are open and receptive to him, so accept his compliments gracefully. Ask him questions about his family, his life, and his work. It will draw in his interest and he will like you more for it. There isn't a person on this planet who doesn't love to talk about themselves. By allowing him to do so, you are stroking his ego and making him feel important to you. Be yourself. I'm sure you've had moments where you've tried to pretend you are someone different and then it's backfired and it's been a complete epic fail. In those cases, you weren't being true to yourself. And a guy loves when he is with a confident woman. So be your confident self. Even if you are a little bit geeky, a little bit shy, it doesn't matter. The right guy will love you for this. So you need to be confidently you. It will help you to flirt and you will feel more comfortable in his presence. Listen to him. Just like we want guys to listen and pay attention to us, you need to return the favor. Really listen to what he says, understand him as much as you can, and actually feed back little bits of the conversation at a later date. Because men like to know that they are having an emotional connection before they dive in deep and really do let you know that they have strong feelings for you. Timing is everything. You need to know when to leave him wanting more. It's okay that the conversation ends sooner rather than later. That's when his interest peaks and he will want to keep things going. It's another great opportunity for you to arrange another get-together. Now, you can also gauge his level of interest by how he responds to a shortened conversation. Of course, you don't want to run out of things to say, so be proactive and learn the little things that will help you to be a great person in your conversations. Social media. Flirting online really helps if you struggle to have that face-to-face interaction. In this case, you have to be smart with your words and engaging. So try to ask meaningful questions over on social media. You could message him and talk about something he's posted, use lots of expressive emojis and GIFs to help add humor and enthusiasm to the conversation. Sometimes a ridiculous GIF can help the conversation move along. And you will also get to assess another side of his personality if you have access to his social media. You can find ways to connect, and then you take that in person and talk about it together. Sometimes social media can be a little bit of a struggle to master the art of flirting. You need to overcompensate your flirting skills here because sometimes it's easy for us to say something but then someone takes it the wrong way. So make sure you are being as friendly and as lovely as you can online, and this will really help. And there you go, ladies. I really hope this video has helped. Let me know what you thought of today's video down in the comments below. Like and subscribe. See you soon.